Hello, everyone. First, I'd like to thank Energist and NeoGen for inviting me to participate in today's workshop. My name is Victoria Klishko. I'm a cosmetologist, dermatologist, and the founder of Institute Clinic in Moscow. My clinic specializes in cosmetology, dermatology, endocrinology, and as well as in anti-aging medicine. There are 10 doctors on my day. I would like to... Sorry, my presentation doesn't work. Do you see my screen or not? Does it change? Sorry. Oh, sorry. Share full screen. Okay.
Hi, Victoria, can you hear me?
Yes, sorry.
So if you go to slideshow, or yeah, that's the one. Yeah, if you press
Stop sharing. Okay.
yes, can you stop sharing? Okay, and now try to share. Press share. Is your presentation in a presentation mode? Is it on this one? Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you very much.
Okay. 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 Next. Before. Sorry. Today I would like to describe my experiments of using NeoGen for treating various skin conditions. And I have divided my presentation for 3 parts. Firstly, I like talk about how, and thirdly, I would like to show you the results we have achieved. Let's move to the next slide. And so, at the end of September 2022, of 2023, my team and me faced of number of questions. How we can combine NeoGen with the technologies which we already use, such as phototherapy, BBL, different kind of lasers. We have halo lasers, clear and brilliant, how we can combine it with therapy, high frequency lifting, photodynamic therapy, and others. How we can combine NeoGen with a different kind of injection like a Botox, PPP, PRP technology, radius, fillers, mesotherapies, and others. And the most importantly, which skin condition of NeoGen able to treat. In the 15 months of using NeoGen, upper chest, hands, elbow, knees, different kind of scars. It were post-surgical scars and post-traumatic scars. We have developed new rejuvenation and treatment protocols for conditions like acne, psoriasis, rosacea, pigmentation, and atopic dermatitis. This time, I'm not planning to bore you with the technical details of the work of NeoGen. Instead, I would like to use a little time we have to demonstrate the results of others. And of course, my favorite is an anti-inflammatory effects, it normalizing the microcirculation, activation of antioxidant defense, proliferation of the epithelium. And to study NeoGen technology, I began with reading articles on PubMed, and they provided vast amount of of information about the work of NeoGen and another gas. So I based my personal experience, personal research on one of the such papers, and you can see the link of this article on this slide. And I have selected a group of patients. First patient was diagnosed with rosacea. As you see, I can decided to cancel Mirvaza Derm from Galderma, and then I performed 2 treatments of NeoGen monotherapy. I used 0.08 joules for both treatments, and you can see 1 month interval, and I did 1 month interval between procedures. And look at this slide. The picture on the left here show the results of the initial 1 month long treatment. And the picture on the right show the patient 8 months after the procedure was performed. And let's note that no additional treatment was used. It's a clear, it's a pure result of NeoGen. As you can see, the effects that NeoGen treatment has on the skin can last for a prolonged period of time. Let's move on next patient. It's a very interesting case for me. This girl, 34 years old. She has atopic dermatitis, and I performed 3 procedures for this patient, and I used 0.8 joules for 3 procedures, and I made 1 month interval between procedures. And she has a problem on her hand. She has a dermatitis, and look what happened after 3 procedures. And I prescribed for her a special cream with polyhydroxy acid. She applied this cream on her hand and on her face, and just it. Next, this is patient. This is the same patient. You can see the result before and after 3 treatments. Okay, next patient is was diagnosed with acne, and I performed 6 for her. First 3 treatments was I used 0.8 joules, and for second 3 treatments I used parameters from 1.5 to 2.2 joules. And you can see the result after 6 procedures and after 3 months, on the left side of her face, on the right side of her face. Let's move to the next result. It's a psoriasis man, 34 years old. He was diagnosed with psoriasis. I performed 2 treatments of NeoGen, energy 0.8 joules, 100 pesos for each hand, and you can see the result after 2 months after last treatment. Patient, 53 years old, performed 2 procedures of NeoGen energy, which I used. First treatment was 1.80 joules. I made 800 pesos. For second treatment, I used 3.0 joules and 800 passes. You can see lifting of the upper and lower eyelids, reducing pigmentation on her skin. Look at this. It's a really good result. Next patient, very interesting. I performed 2 procedures of NeoGen. Energy which I used in first treatment was 1.6 joules, 800 passes. For second, 2.2 joules, 800 passes. You see the patients after 8 months after the procedure was performed. You see multiple changes, such as lifting of the upper and lower eyelids, reducing pores of the skin, decrease of the nasolabial folds. And as you can see on the next slide, after 8 months, her face became more symmetrical, sorry. It's too hard to talk in English. Next patient. Before patient, because I use the same parameters for this patient. It was I performed 2 treatments, 1 month between the treatments, and look at the result. And you can see a result before and after 8 months after. Next patient. Here I would like to demonstrate the result of combination NeoGen treatment with injection of radius. Just look, it's only 1 month between photos, and we got such a good result. And radius in 1 treatment. First NeoGen, then I did radius, 3 milliliters. You probably not gonna believe, but this is the same patient on these photos. Look at her neck. No comments, really. It's brilliant, and I used 4 joules energy and made 1,000 passes on her neck. Just NeoGen, nothing more, just 1 month before and after. This patient, here I try to use high parameters for all face, for all skin, and I use I performed only 1 procedure. It was 3.5 joules, 1,000 passes, and you can see a result. Next patient. I used 3.8 joules, 1,200 passes. Sometimes pictures speak better than words. The most fantastic thing is that we have achieved these results in just 1 month. And let's move on to the next. So I have a lot of post-surgical patients, and now I would like to show you. Let's begin. This result with a combination of phototherapy, BBL, and NeoGen. I did it together. First, I used BBL, and then I used NeoGen. For this patient, I did only 2 procedures, and for NeoGen, I use 2.0 joules. Next one. This is about rehabilitation because I got this patient from plastic surgeons, and here we have 6 procedures of local dynamic massage. It's from Ionta Comet. It's LDM treatment and 2 procedure of NeoGen. I used 0.8 joules for this patient. On the next slide, before, you can see as health scars after 11 days, before and after. And here you can see the results of our rehabilitation. It's only 11 days. Next one. Before. Previous. Here, patient after plastic surgeons. So I did 6 procedure of local dynamic massage. Use low energy, 0.8 joules, and 400 pulses for every procedure. And let's look at another slide. So in the left side, you can see how her scars looked after the treatment, and here you can see how I did it. And this is the best one, I think. It was the most difficult case for me because it was a necrosis after plastic surgeon, and you can see the result after 3 months. And the parameters which I used was from 0.4 to 0.8. It was only 6 procedures, and I combined it with a collagen stimulator. It's a spherogel, and we use a PRP technology, and you can see a result. And the last one, it's a patient after anterior mastopexy, and you can see it's a result of monotherapy of NeoGen, just NeoGen, nothing more. And here I did 6 procedures, mistake on my slide. First 3 procedure I used 0.8 joules of energy, and second 3 procedure for treatment. And that is, and here's it. So that's all I want to say today about my experience. I would like to thank NeoGen for this technology, which helped my patient have a more healthy and beautiful skin. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact me in Instagram, in Telegram, and thank you.
Folks, it's lunchtime. We're about half an hour delayed, so if I can request everyone to be back here